YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be changing the oil in the lawnmower. So yeah, stay tuned to see what else we'll get into. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Tennessee Lawn Care and on Snapchat at Kyle2020. Thanks. Peace. See y'all in a minute. Alright, so before I pull the mower in here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I have or what I use for the oil change. So, this is the joint pan in which the old oil will go in. This is the new oil filter. It's a Kohler oil filter. There's the oil, and let me get my funnel. And there's my funnel. So, I'm gonna pull the mower in here, and yeah, we'll get all the oil changed out and everything. So yeah, enjoy the footage. Okay, so what I did, guys, was I opened this. So what you do is you twist it and then you pull it. Now open it and it's straightening out all my oil now. So the next thing I have to do is take the old oil filter off. So I'm going to read the manual, but I'm going to put you on a time lapse so it looks cool so you guys can see that. Alright, peace. You guys enjoyed that. During this oil change, we will also be checking the air filter, but we will do the oil first. So, I'm gonna let that finish draining. While that's draining, we're gonna take off the oil filter and replace it with a new one. So, yeah. So I put the new oil in, guys. I'm going to see if it's full or not. This is really my first time doing this, but I don't know. So I hope it is right. Let's see. Okay guys, so we're gonna go get some more oil because I ran out. I didn't know how much I needed, but yeah, we're gonna go get some more. So yeah. Okay, so we got the oil, guys, and this is what we got. So we got the place that I got that we got the last one at was closed for the 4th. So yeah, peace. That's one of my yards, guys, and then that one right there is one of my yards. I got another one here, so that got really mad at me for throwing grass in his mom's yard. Well, I wasn't actually throwing. I was cutting it and the tiller was shooting it out the other way. Whatever you call it, shooter, whatever. Alright, so now we're on the air filter. I put the oil in. Let's take this out. So that's what it looks like. Don't really need to be sprayed, but or washed off. I'm gonna go do that, so yeah. So we're starting it up, guys. We're gonna let it run for a little bit so the oil will cycle and everything, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. You guys saw, did all that maintenance today. I'm wore out, thirsty, so gonna get ready for, take a bath, get ready for the 4th. Yeah, I might film a video. Just stay tuned. See y'all. Peace.